Welcome. It's group 1 and this is video presentation of our project called Mastersab. So what is Mastersab? Mastersab is online learning platform where students of different grades such as 8, 9, 10 can learn by accessing academic materials, by discussing different ideas and problems, and also self-evaluate by taking different tests. Aim and objective of Mastersab. Every project try to tackle some problems, and in this project we are trying to tackle the problem of education. And in our country Nepal, there are not good platform from student can access the digitalized content of courses, and as well as discuss their ideas and ask questions. So in this project we are trying to tackle those problems. So our main aim is to provide platform for students from where they can access digitalized content as well as discuss their ideas and also learn from many things. So there are also objective, and we try to solve the aim like providing online platform for learning, to provide a way of interaction, and to provide resources, and to provide help by giving the content which are requested by the students. Feature. So in this web application we have tried to give features such as academic content from where student can access their academic content, discussion section from where student can discuss their ideas, share their problems and also knowledge, and explore section from where student can explore new interesting things, and test section for practicing MCQ uh, with alone or also with friends or other peoples. So in this application we have used some tools and technology which are listed here. We have used Angular for front-end development, VS Code Editor for IDE, and Bootstrap for front-end user interface development, MongoDB Compass for monitoring and managing cloud Mongo database, Robo3D for monitoring and managing local database, Postman for request during development of API, GitLab for backup and version control, Heroku for API hosting, and Netlify for hosting Angular app, and Nodejs for development of REST API. Working model of Mastersab App. In this web application, a teacher can create a course which can be accessed by different students, and it is maintained and validated by system admin. Student can also take a test and ask questions. Project role. For completion of our project, there were certain roles which were assigned. So in our group, now Lokinder Dagi is project manager, Kumod Kharka is documenter, Parvin Chapagai is quality assurance, Anil Kharka is developer, and Lali Sunar is developer. Now we are going to demonstrate our app. For more info and demo, you can visit the link which is given below. This is the landing page of our app, and here you can see that this page trying to give the idea about who we are and what is our aim. And here there are two sections which can be accessed even if you are not logged in. For example, subjects. You can choose class, and you can also get the chapters and lessons, and there is also explore section. Here you can see that there are different sections such as play with number. For example, if I try to enter some number, it gives the fact about that number, There's also the trivia, where you try to keep the trivia about that number. Yeah. And there's also a date section where it gives the significance of date, and May 14th is the day in the 17th section. And there's also div in space, where we try to use the API of NASA to give us some features. He's trying to load data. So there are also other sections like this. Where a student can get the idea or interesting thing. So now we can log in as well as sign up. Okay, for this thing I am going to sign up with name Krishna Shrestha. Okay, Krishna @gmail.com. Let's try out random things. Let's try, and it also it has a string validation where it only take at least 6, and it should be less than 20, and it must contain one number, one lowercase, and also symbol. So if we get all right, it will accept our password, and we can choose our class, and then we will successful. After sign up, we are redirected to the login page, and here we can type username and password to login, and this is our home page. And here we can see there are set which will tie to the subject. This is, and here is also sets which takes us to the test section, where we can play quiz with single player and multiplayer. Our subject is already discussed earlier, so here is test section. In this section we can play quiz with single player as well as with multiplayer. In single player there are question, a time, and here we can see that we can play it. And we can also review how many questions we have answered, and we can also submit quiz, and here we can see where we are wrong, and we can also get back to the main page. And there's also the multiplayer mode, where we can play with our friend. And for this demonstration I'm going to log in from another ID. So there is wrong reason, I guess. Okay, so test, since another player is uh, playing multiplayer mode in this same section, and also their class is same, so they can play with each other. So Krishna is online, I can send him a request, and here is our request. Here we can play quiz. Okay, if I did this and I did that and I did this and I don't know, decrease R and I submit, it will tell to wait for another player, and here another player is playing. If I did this and then that, okay, okay. So now when I submit, we can see who is winner, and there also shows who is winner in both section or both player. And now there is called discuss. In this section we can see we can ask question, what is the speed of light? We can choose image, let's choose this, which subject is this, and then it will be uploaded. And this I have implemented infinite scroll. Even if as long as I scroll, the section keeps on adding new content. So I can like and also comment. I think is to second. Okay, and now our profile section. Here user can also edit his name. Let's make it woman, and we can change almost everything. We can also create a picture for him or her. Okay, let's make it this. Can change picture. Okay, now the picture is changed. We can go back. This is our new profile picture. This is our profile section, and here you can see that everything is working, and you can log out, and if you log out you will be redirected toward the landing page. So this is the complete demonstration of our project. So now we are at conclusion. So with the teamwork and cooperation, we achieve our goal of building web app and creating a well-written document, even though the situation was tough due to crisis of corona and we were separated. But even though in this time we try to do the things with teamwork and cooperation. So thank you.